can turn the UV light on or off. You can turn on the ionizer on or off. This is ozone. It might be annoying to some students. You can see here if it's on or off. If it annoys you, just turn it off. You can quiet it down or by hitting the speed button. Of course, if you want the most air filtration, it's going to have to be max speed. If that doesn't annoy you, if it annoys you, turn it to a speed you can accept. The mode here, you can switch it to auto mode, which is going to go up and down in speed. If you want the full effect of these, you should probably just leave it in full on mode. And then remember to turn the UV back on, it will default to off. So if you switch modes, and you come back, or you turn it off, the UV defaults to off. So you'd have to turn the UV back on if you want it. That sterilizes things. So if the purpose is to sterilize, then you should put that UV back on. The timer is strictly an off timer, so if you want it to auto off at night, just turn it on to 7 or 8 hours in the morning and it'll shut off. If you just scroll up past 12, the timer will disappear and it'll stay on continuously now. That's it.